Welcome to Camp Easy RV's YouTube channel, where we make it easy to RV. Today we're touring the 2025 Coachmen Clipper 18 DBS. Outside, you see the compact exterior, ready for the road. Inside starts with a cozy couch, then the kitchen, where you spot the stovetop and microwave, perfect for cooking family meals, followed by the deep sink area for easy cleanup and prep. From there, double bunk beds give the kids their own space, then the bathroom with full shower, sink area with storage, mirror for getting ready, and handy toilet. The dinette area and fold-down bed. Don't forget to download our app so you can browse inventory, schedule visits, and keep up with the latest arrivals anytime, right from your phone. We also offer extended care for life. So be sure to check out our website or contact us for more details on how that can help protect your RV investment for the long haul.